Synthesis and DeepCrawl are two of the most respected enterprise site audit platforms, and both are built for teams that handle massive websites with complex technical challenges. Even though they share the same mission, their approach, feel, and day-to-day workflow can be very different. If you manage enterprise SEO, the choice between them can shape everything from your technical roadmap to how smoothly your team collaborates. Synthesis is known for its focus on speed, clarity, and actionable insights. It collects huge amounts of crawl data, but it organizes it in a way that feels digestible and direct. Instead of handing you long lists of issues, it prioritizes what needs attention and explains the impact in simple terms. The interface is easy to navigate, which helps teams move fast without getting lost in the data. Synthesis also integrates data from key platforms, pulling in performance metrics and search data so you can see how technical issues relate to real outcomes. Enterprise teams appreciate that it feels built for collaboration. Tasks can be assigned, notes can be shared, and reports can be generated quickly for stakeholders who do not want technical jargon. DeepCrawl, on the other hand, is a long-standing heavyweight in enterprise technical SEO. It offers incredibly deep crawl coverage and a level of detail that appeals to advanced practitioners. If you need a crawler that can mimic complex site structures, handle millions of URLs, or test staging environments before releasing code, DeepCrawl is designed for exactly that. The data it provides is thorough and highly customizable. You can create intricate rule sets, automate recurring audits, and build dashboards tailored to specific teams. DeepCrawl also supports monitoring of site health over time, which makes it easier to spot when new releases introduce problems. For large organizations, its account structure and workflow tools help keep things organized across multiple sites and teams. If your team values speed, clarity, and collaborative reporting, Synthesis is a strong fit. If your team needs deep customization, large-scale crawl power, and highly detailed technical output, DeepCrawl remains one of the most robust tools available. Both solutions can handle enterprise needs, but each serves a slightly different type of enterprise workflow. Either way, both platforms make it possible to stay ahead of technical issues before they impact real business performance.